Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best hybrid iron sets that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Powerbilt Women's EX-550 Hybrid Iron Set. This set is designed specifically for women golfers, combining a hollow body construction for a high MOI and added forgiveness. The hybrid design transitions from a wide sole in the long irons for easy launch to a narrower sole in the short irons, giving you more precision on approach shots. With graphite shafts throughout and undersized grips, this set is tailored for women seeking distance and feel without sacrificing control. In terms of design, the Powerbilt Women's EX-550 looks sleek with its silver, blue, and white color scheme. The lightweight construction and ladies' flex make it easier to generate speed, especially for players with slower swing speeds. It's clear that Powerbilt has put thought into ensuring this set suits beginner to intermediate women golfers. However, the build quality, while decent, might not stand up to more premium options on this list. Performance-wise, this set shines in forgiveness. The wide soles and hybrid design make it incredibly easy to get the ball airborne, and it's especially helpful for players struggling with consistency. However, the limited feedback and lower spin rates might leave advanced players wanting more. Overall, this set is ideal for women who are newer to the game or looking for an affordable hybrid iron option. Pros include excellent forgiveness and lightweight design, while cons include less spin control and a less premium feel. At number 4, we have the Powerbilt Golf EX-550 Hybrid Iron Set for men. This set features a hollow body construction that delivers a high MOI, making it forgiving and easy to hit. The hybrid design progresses from a wide sole in the long irons for maximum forgiveness to a narrower sole in the short irons, giving you the precision you need on shorter approach shots. The Senior Flex graphite shafts provide added distance and a smooth feel. Catering to players with slower swing speeds, the overall build of the EX-550 is solid. The silver and black finish gives it a professional look, and the textured grips are comfortable to hold. However, at 9 pounds, the set is slightly heavier than some of its competitors, which could be a drawback for players who prefer a lighter setup. This set is best suited for mid to high handicap golfers looking for an affordable and forgiving option. When it comes to performance, the EX-550 excels in forgiveness and ease of use. The hybrid design makes it simple to get the ball airborne, even on off-center hits. However, the feel and feedback are somewhat limited, which might be a downside for more experienced players. All in all, this set offers great value for its price and is a fantastic option for seniors or beginners looking to improve their consistency. Pros include high forgiveness and good distance, while cons include a heavier build and less feedback for advanced players. Coming in at number 3, we have the Cleveland Golf Halo XL Full Face Iron Set. This set stands out with its XL head design, which offers an impressive MOI for maximum forgiveness. The full-face grooves are a game-changer, ensuring consistent performance regardless of where you strike the ball. Unique to this set is the HydroZip technology, which maximizes spin in both wet and dry conditions, making it versatile for all weather scenarios. The design of the Halo XL Full Face is both functional and eye-catching. The satin finish gives it a premium look, and the 3-sole transition system adapts to different lies, improving turf interaction and making it easier to execute a variety of shots. The steel shafts offer a more traditional feel, making this set a great choice for players who value precision. In terms of performance, this set delivers consistent ball flights and solid contact. The HydroZip technology ensures excellent spin control even in challenging conditions, and the full-face grooves instill confidence on every swing. However, the set might feel slightly unforgiving for beginners due to its heavier steel shafts. Ideal for mid-handicap players who want a blend of forgiveness and workability, this set's pros include excellent spin control and premium design, while cons are its higher skill requirement and slightly heavier weight. At number 2, we have the Cleveland Golf Launcher XL Halo Iron Set. This set features an XL head design that offers incredible MOI for maximum forgiveness. The rail to V-shaped sole design transitions from long irons to short irons, making it easy to launch your shots high and achieve precision on approach shots. The mainframe variable face technology, designed using AI, enhances ball speed and forgiveness across the face, making it a fantastic option for those who want consistency. The design is sleek and modern, with a gray finish that's both subtle and stylish. The Action Mass CB, an 8 grams weight inside the grip, improves balance and gives you more control over your shots. The high-bore crown step lowers the center of gravity, making it easy to launch the ball into the air, even for players with slower swing speeds. Performance-wise, the Launcher XL Halo is a dream for mid to high handicap players. It's forgiving on off-center strikes and delivers a high straight ball flight. While it might lack the workability that lower handicap players seek, it more than makes up for it with its ease of use. This set is perfect for players who want to enjoy the game without worrying about mishits. Pros include its forgiving design and high launch, while cons are limited shot shaping ability and lack of options for left-handed players. Finally, at the top spot, we have the Cobra Golf Air-X 2 Men's Combo Iron and Hybrid Set. This set is designed for lightweight speed and effortless performance. With its loft and spin optimization, it's tailored to help players achieve maximum distance and precision. The hybrid construction provides an excellent blend of forgiveness and control, perfect for players looking for an all-around game improvement set. The Cobra Air-X 2 is lightweight and well-balanced, thanks to the Cobra Ultralight 45 shafts. The textured rubber grips are comfortable and provide excellent traction, even in wet conditions. The black finish gives the set a bold, modern look that stands out on the course. In terms of performance, this set is incredibly forgiving. The hybrids are easy to launch, and the irons deliver consistent ball flights with plenty of stopping power on the greens. The set is ideal for mid to high handicap players who want a reliable, easy-to-use option. While advanced players might find it lacks the workability they desire, the overall package is hard to beat for the price. Pros include its lightweight design and excellent forgiveness, while cons include limited options for advanced shot shaping. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.